Now at 5:30, growing outrage nationwide after police say a teenage boy was shot when he mistakenly went to the wrong home in Kansas City, Missouri to pick up his little brother last week.
16-year-old Ralph Yarl is now recovering in the hospital. His alleged shooter was taken into custody and then released pending further investigation, according to the Kansas City police chief. ABC's Rena Roy has this update.
Hundreds of protesters taking to the streets in Kansas City, Missouri, demanding justice. Justice for Ralph! The outrage comes after police say 16-year-old Ralph Yarl was shot by a homeowner after mistakenly going to the wrong home. Police say the high school junior's parents asked him to pick up his siblings at an address on 115th Terrace, but he accidentally went to a home on 115th Street, where, according to his family, he was shot in the head through a glass door after he rang the doorbell. Yarl now in stable condition, his aunt hopeful for a full recovery.
Ralph will feel a lot of love because this is a lot of people. It's amazing.
The shooter, whose identity has not been made public, was taken into custody, then released pending further investigation.
You do have a police department that is listening, that cares, and we take all of these cases seriously.
The mayor of Kansas City saying there will be a thorough review of the incident to determine if any charges will be filed. The community searching for answers and calling for an arrest.
The information that we have now, it does not say that it's racially motivated. That's still an active investigation. But as a chief of police, I do recognize the racial components of this case. I do recognize and understand the community's concern.
In a statement, the family's legal team saying the family is demanding swift action from the Clay County prosecutors and law enforcement to identify, arrest, and prosecute to the full extent of the law the man responsible for this horrendous and unjustifiable shooting. The teenager's family is expected to hold a press conference Tuesday. Meantime, police say they plan to get a formal statement from Yarl once his condition improves and he's able to speak with law enforcement. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.